I am so nervous right now. Manny's making me do it. He said if I don't do it I'm gonna regret it, so I'm scared. Morning! Welcome back to the vlog. How is everybody? So we are just ready now. We're gonna head down for breakfast. I'm really hungry. Really hungry this morning. I woke up with a grumbly stomach. So let's go get the food. So we're down here at breakfast now. The weather is nice and fresh. It's not too hot yet. There's a nice breeze going on. It's a nice cool day. Well, for now it's cool. You all know the story with Greek weather. It gets really, really hot. But yeah, we're just about to eat. So we're back up now, we're about to leave. I put on some makeup. We think we're going to get out a different boat today, a faster one. I'm kind of nervous, I'm not going to lie, but Manny's looking to get like a better horsepower, aren't you, Manny?
Sure am.
What?
Speed in the speed boat.
What horsepower are you looking to get?
The fastest one we can get.
Is it not going to be expensive?
Sure is.
It's really funny how Melanie likes the boat. I thought she was going to be an absolute nightmare on the boat, but she just sat there like, water, water. She was not scared one bit. I was scared when we first got in it for the first 5 minutes. No, probably the first 10 minutes, and then I was grand. Once I started driving the boat, I don't know, my nerves just dissipated. I was grand. It was how strange is that? But yeah, once I started driving it, I was fine. So hopefully I can drive the boat today. Hi.
The big boy, isn't it?
Hi. You're a big boy. Whoa. You're huge.
The same thing. This is the gear and this is the accelerator. Always. Okay. Left off, right. You hold, you go. Okay. This is the power trip. Look at the propeller. Look at the propeller. Let me see it go there. Coming out the water. Okay. Yeah.
Right guys, so we are on the bigger boat now. Manny's just currently taking us out into sea. The boat's far different from the last one. This one's like all sheltered and stuff, as you can see. Just zoom you in. It's like a seating area and everything. Class.
On the boat again, yeah! I just seen a fish jump out of the water. Alright boys and girls, I'm going in for the water. Feeling a bit toasty. I'm going to test the waters and see what it's like. Hopefully it's not a shark at the bottom. Get the mama, Mel. Get the mama. Alright, wish me luck boys. Hope there's not a big wave again. I'm going to the swim, Mel.
Yeah, jump.
Cool. Ah. No hands.
Yeah.
Yeah. So fucking cold.
It's coming on now.
So cold and salty. I think I seen a shark. Whew.
Huh?
I seen a shark.
You seen a shark?
A big shark.
Did you actually?
Just too cold at the moment. Whew. Saltiest salt ever. Boys and girls, I'm about to do a dive. Wish me luck. Hopefully that shark doesn't come back that I seen. Alright, here we go. Can you see me?
A wee bit.
Can you see me?
A wee bit.
Here we go.
Yay!
Alright. The shark is still under there. So I have to come out again. Seen a big shark, Mel. I'm gonna wait till the shark goes away. So I'm enjoying this way, chill out now. After I came out of the water, there's so much salt in me. All over my body, you can see the salt sediments, salt crystals. I'm actually all chilled out and cooled out now because I was all sweating driving the boat and all. But after coming out of the water, I feel all cold and there's a nice breeze here. I don't know if Jess is going to go in or not. We're going to see later on.
I'll go up on the coastline near Jovia.
Yeah, she wants to drive up all the way up there again and see.
Because I don't feel safe out in the Mediterranean Sea. I was looking up on Google and there's like hammerhead sharks, there's basking sharks, there's jellyfish with 22-meter tentacles, there's scorpion fish, and there's more on the list, but they say that they're all in the Mediterranean Sea, but if you go up into the coastline there's it like decreases, like depletes the amount of them that's up there because they don't like all the boats and they don't like the colder currents that's up there.
So we're gonna go up there pretty soon and get some jumping again because I enjoyed that. I thought I would have sank to the bottom. I was scared, but it pushed me back up. It's pretty easy to get back up.
The salt makes you buoyant, so it does. My granddad used to always tell us that on the sea in Ireland, like the salt keeps you afloat.
Yeah, so no need to be scared if you're scared of ever going on a boat and jumping over. The water's gonna push you back up 50% of the way and you have to do the rest on float. Usual, paddling your hands and paddling your feet. So don't be scared jumping into the water. What are you doing?
Go on, look at the state this way. Are you in the front of the boat?
I'm sunbathing, trying to get my tan.
You're so man. He's trying to give me a heart attack. Yeah, you're trying to give me a heart attack. And he's asking me to drive now.
Drive, just drive.
Yeah, so I just made the boat into a bed. Yes! Look at my view, look at my view. Let's go! so nervous right now. Manny's making me do it. He said if I don't do it I'm gonna regret it, so I'm scared. Right, I'm just gonna do it because the longer I wait I'm gonna get a panic attack or something.
Cold. Cold there, woman.
Oh my god. There's like fish in there.
You see a fishy?
Aye, orange ones.
Go one more time. One more time.
Manny's gonna go on now with the goggles. Stay on to tell me what you see, Manny. Go. What?
I'm just pushing the boat away from me. Couldn't see anything.
You couldn't see orange?
The wind is pushing the boat away. I jumped there and the boat's over here.
Oh gosh. Trust there to be waves and I'm trying to do it.
Eyes are burning off me.
Manny is going so fast, he's going like 6 knots. My stomach is so sick. That's why I'm lying down. Oh, yay. Oh my god, he's going so fast, guys. So fast.
like it?
Oh, it's good, like really good.
Hello. Yasu.
We're done now with the boat. It was absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed it after we got past the island. There was a bit where at the start where I was so scared, but after that I was grand. I get like wild anxiety about things, but after I calmed down I felt okay, and then I was loving life then. But yeah, we're walking up to the hotel now, up the dreaded hill. I always call it Hades Hill. It literally, it's all uphill. The zombies beating down on you. Oh, it's just hell. And you'd be walking for like 400 meters. All uphill, bear in mind. Who do you see Manny now? Come on, Manny. Work those quads. Right guys, it is dinner time! Time to eat. Time to get sustenance. I haven't ate all day. Just like stupid things like crisps and ice pops. Haven't eaten properly since breakfast. And it's like 9 o'clock, so I am really hungry. I've just been drinking orange juice and water all day. Get your potty now, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go. Open the door. Manny brought the soya mince again. It was really nice yesterday. I'm gonna ask her to put more chopped tin tomatoes in and more garlic. Come on, Mel, let's go. Let's go eat.